Hi everybody, Bekka here. I was out in my backyard doing some photo shoot for new photos from a website, and I could not resist showing off this little beauty right here. This is my hawthorn shrub. Uh, I almost call it a tree, but it's technically not a tree. But one of the things that I love about hawthorn is its folk remedy. Back in the day, it was used for fear, like fear of standing up to somebody or stage fright or, just that type of remedy. Now, I haven't ever looked up to see if there's any studies on that, on whether actually there's some science behind it or not, but I do love this remedy because it tells you about perception. In herbalism, some of it is what you perceived is either good or not. And that is the beauty of using natural remedies, is that even if it technically doesn't work as far as some sort of physiological ability in the body, a lot of times it psychologically works and it's healthy for you. Uh, oh, excuse me. And I also love this beauty because she is sitting right in the view of my window, which is right up there. I can sit in my bed and enjoy this beauty right out here, and I just love her in the springtime. Well, I hope this little tidbit, I know it was very quick, but I hope it helps you out. Leave in the comment section of some of your perceptions of herbs, and I will talk with you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and herb on. Bye.